just wanna see you lose when you make it. Everybody on my line.
Hey, we're back at it again with another video. So today I'm with
Pamar.
yeah, and today we got tortilla town. I got a burrito with rice, chicken, lettuce, and sour cream and cheese.
Oh, you wanted to?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I got burrito with is it pollo asado? Yeah, pollo asado with beans, rice, and what else? What's that?
Oh,
what is it called again?
guacamole.
We're so
Guacamole.
Yeah.
Every time I go to the store, that's what I think. Like when they're like, oh, it has when it has like guacamole in it, I always think of the people from Tortilla Town, and they say guacamole.
Do they say that?
Yeah, they do. Every time you say, oh, if you can get guacamole, like guacamole, and everyone says it. Yeah. Yeah, and then that was it. Oh, and then we went to the paleteria. I got lemon and avocado.
I got horchata, right?
Bro, I really said avocado. Like, no, I meant to say pepino.
And then she got a mangoneada. I love mangoneadas. Yeah. So today it's just a mukbang. A mukbang? Mukbang? Yeah, right? Yeah. You know what we should have done? We should do that when they ask questions and we answer them. That's gonna be next video. Yeah. So on my Snapchat, on my Instagram. Yeah, you should just post it on Instagram. Or both. Both. Yeah. Because maybe you have people that you don't have on. Yeah. So I'll do a Q&A. It's gonna be us again. So there's gonna be a part 2, and we're gonna answer your guys' questions. Whatever questions you guys have for us, or for me, or for her. Yeah. So just like, when do you want to do it? What? Where are you gonna get ready for seeing pics? I don't know. You wanna come to my house? I'll tell my sister to pick you up. Yeah, I can go to your house. And then we can get ready. Oh, that's another video we're gonna do. Taking our pictures for senior pic. It'll be get ready with me. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll be fun. I'm just staring at my burrito. And if you guys want to see anything else, like with me and her, leave it in the comments below to see what you guys want to see next. Yeah. Oh, and then she's gonna be the one that's gonna do the ASMR with me pretty soon. Oh yeah. I always forget. Yeah. And then like we should do that one thing with the wigs, remember? I thought we were gonna do the ghost one. The ghost one? October already passed. Basket? Yeah. Yeah, we can do the ghost one. Okay, yeah. The Goodwill thing? Oh yeah, we should do that. Uh-huh. Oh, I'm planning on doing a series with the girls, my friends. A Goodwill series. It's where it's on TikTok. I'll put it in the video to show you guys what I'm talking about. But I think it was on TikTok, right? TikTok, yeah, huh? Yeah. Yeah, on TikTok. Well, I'll insert a video so you guys can see what I mean. But what's it called? Let's say you go to a store, you go to your aisle, like what fits you, and then you have to close your eyes, and the person with you has to say stop, and the item you get, you have to try on. You pick out a whole outfit. Yeah, and we should do it on the guy section. Oh yeah. Yeah. The guy section is better. Mm-hmm. Mostly because like I'm like basic with my clothes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Or should we do to a boys and a woman's? A boys and a girls, yeah. Mm-hmm. Or because on the girls' side it's gonna be funny. Oh yeah. Yeah, because you know not everything from the girls' side is pretty. Should we go to the one here in Paso, or The one in the Tuscadero.
What do you mean? Oh, the
The
good
Goodwill
one?
here or the Goodwill in the Tuscadero?
The one in... Which one's bigger?
Or we can go to Slow.
Slow?
Yeah, Slow is way bigger.
Oh, then yeah, we can go to Slow. Like, whatever one's bigger, we should go to that one. So we can have more options.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so depressing.
I haven't heard this song in forever neither.
And then
I like you so much.
me right now.
Yeah, let's close your stuff.
Oh wait, no, I take that back. I was like, wait, I can say that, but then I forgot. We were on camera.
We've all been through that stage. But I went through that stage.
Just say
You
it.
already know.
I know.
Oh, okay. You guys know what I hate? Guys who tell you to meet somewhere
Oh my god.
and they don't fucking go and they leave you there. Oh my god, that has
We
happened.
both had that experience,
Yeah.
huh? Yeah.
I was gonna meet this kid at. Fuck, never mind. I can't spread this because what if he's on here?
Do it, I dare you to. Just do it.
Fuck it. But anyways, I was supposed to meet this one guy at a school, like just to kick it, to get to know him. And I went the first time, he didn't end up showing up. I went the second time, he didn't end up showing up until like the third time.
Oh, okay.
The third time, he ended up showing up. It was alright. Never gonna do that again.
Like, all you have to do is just text them and be like,
Yeah, I can't go.
It's like
Instead
so
of-
simple.
Yeah. Instead of just ignoring us or not calling us or not texting us, saying that you can't go. Like, if you want to hang out with your homies, go hang out with your homies. But tell me before, like, I end up going and showing up and looking like a fucking dumbass.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my opinion. And I don't think a woman should do the same thing because that's honestly disrespectful.
Yeah.
Like, you ask
But
someone
if you
to
think
go.
about it, it's always the guy that does that to a girl.
Yeah.
I've never done that to a guy.
I never.
And I would never, so.
But then too, it depends on the other person. Like who's doing it.
I wouldn't. Just kidding. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. That's messed up. I know how it feels because, you know, like.
Are you sure about that?
No, it's funny because I'm all like, I would never end any week.
I'm just kidding, you guys. I would never. I'm being for real. I couldn't even get out of my house.
So the one who's out like till 11.
But that's different because, like,
Oh,
my
yeah.
parents know who I'm with, you know? Like,
Yeah.
right now they don't care, but if I had to be like, oh, I'm gonna go out with, like, a friend and I wouldn't tell them their name, because, like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna go out with, like, my friend and then lie to them, you know?
I've been used to lie to someone. Like someone used me as for them to get out.
Me?
No, use me for like you said that they were gonna meet up with me, but they ended up meeting up with the guy.
That's why me?
Oh wait, you did.
No, but, like, that was different because I told you I was gonna hang out with you
Oh,
after.
yeah.
Yes.
No, but someone else did. Just one girl. I was like, but I was chill with it. I was like, you wanna meet a boy? You meet a boy.
Yeah.
Just like, don't bring me up when your mama's like, oh, who's that dude? Where's your friend?
Like, you're gonna
Be like, I was just kidding. I was lying to you. I actually met up with the dude. I used your name for it. I used her name to get out. I was like, as long as you don't actually be like, oh yeah, like actually bring me in, if that makes sense. Yeah.
It's like, don't bring me up if you get caught.
It was so hard to get that out of my mouth. Yeah, I was like, what the fuck am I trying to say? Is it just here and has that car stayed there like forever? I don't even remember.
I don't You're done with Leslie.
Should we finish it here?
If you want.
Yeah. So we can get our actual cheeseman out. Okay, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Oh, put the bell. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, bye.